Good morning everyone. Today I explain method of preparation and application of some organic polymers. Last lecture we have seen the Ziegler-Natta polymerization. So method of preparation and applications of some organic polymers: polyethylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride and phenol formaldehyde resins. One by one explain. Now polyethylene Polyethylene uh, means polyethylene or polythene. It is the most used addition polymer, first produced in England in 1993, and two types of polyethylenes are manufactured. Two types: low density of polyethylene and high density of polyethylene. First, upon low density of polyethylene, it is made by compressing ethene under a very high pressures and temperature range of 453 to 523 Kelvin. In presence of trace of oxygen catalyst 0.1%, and even peroxide and hydroperoxide can be used as a catalyst. So this reaction, ethylene in presence of catalyst, auto catalyst had peroxides, hydroperoxides, high pressures to give to low density of polyethylene. The polymer is formed as a highly branched structure and is called as a low density polyethylene. Its molecular weight range from 50,000 to 3 lakhs. Low density of polyethylene is a chemically inert, tough but flexible and poor conductor of electricity. It is softened of a comparatively low temperature 393 Kelvin, and practically no solvent dissolves it at a ordinary temperature. Okay, so poly low density polyethylenes uses insulation of electric wires, manufacturing of squeeze bottles, toys and flexible pipes. And low density polyethylene structure is a branched form structure like this, branched. Next type of polyethylene, high density of polyethylene, in short form HDPE. It is generally manufactured by Ziegler process. Ethane is passed under pressure into an inert solvent containing triethyl and titanium chloride catalyst. Okay, so this reaction ethylene in presence of polymerization Ziegler-Natta catalyst gives to high density of polyethylene. Ziegler-Natta catalyst लास्ट लेक्चरला तुम्ही बघितलं त्यामध्ये Ziegler-Natta कॅटलिस्टचे कॅटलिस्ट होता, त्यामध्ये ट्रायइथिल अँड टिटॅनियम क्लोराईड हे कॅटलिस्ट यूज केले होते. ट्राय अल्किल कंपाऊंड्स होते त्यामध्ये. हाय डेन्सिटी polyethylene is essentially linear or no branched of chains. See these lines is not branched, clear. So linears सिंगल अशा लाईन्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये, तर हाय डेन्सिटी पॉलिइथिलीनमध्ये, आणि लो डेन्सिटीमध्ये स्ट्रक्चर कशी होती तर ब्रांच फॉर्ममध्ये होते. its molecular weight ranges between 50,000 to 3 lakhs, has a higher softening point लो डेन्सिटीमध्ये कसे होते तो सॉफ्टनिंग पॉईंट त्या ठिकाणी नव्हते. टफ असे मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत लो डेन्सिटीमध्ये पॉलिथिलिनचे आणि हाय डेन्सिटी पॉलिथिनमध्ये हे सॉफ्टनिंग पॉईंट आहे. So uses polyethylene is a chemically inert, tough, flammable over wide range of temperature, and it is used without plasticizers or fillers and can be readily colored, and it is a molted and blown. Household articles use toys, flexible pipes, and electrical cables. It is readily rolled into thin film and use this sheet for packing and as a coating. Okay. Polyethylene, there are two types: low density of polyethylene, high density of polyethylene. Okay, low density of polyethylene, ethylene in presence of peroxide hydroxides catalyst and high pressures to gives to polyethylene. High density of polyethylene, there are ethylene reacted with in presence of Ziegler-Natta catalyst and to gives to high density of polyethylene. Okay, so next, polystyrene is known as a polyvinyl benzene or styrene. It is an addition of polymers of styrene discovered in 1839. Styrene, the monomer required, is prepared from benzene and ethene as a under. Okay, benzene reacted with ethene in presence of AlCl3 to gives to ethyl benzene. In presence of metal oxide to iron oxide to gives to styrene. Styrene have a monomers. Two types of styrene form. First, AlCl3 catalyst and rhodium catalyst to gives to styrenes. Okay. So monomer form styrene gives to polymerization reaction to gives to polymer chain. Polymers consist of generally linear molecules. It is a chemically inert. Acid, alkalides, and oxidizing agents have a very little effect on it. It is a major defects are poor weathering properties and brittleness. It is a softened at a low temperature and their uses molded to containers, lids, jars, bottles, radio television cabinets, toys, and many other household items. Okay. Now next, polyvinyl chloride, in short form PVC. It is an addition of polymers of a vinyl chloride. This polymer is manufactured by free radical polymerization of vinyl chloride under high pressures and in presence of suitable catalysts. For example, azo compounds or redox initiators. So in this reaction, vinyl chloride reacted with a polymerization to use polyvinyl chloride in polymer chain free radical reactions. Addition of polymerization मध्ये two types पडले ते vinyl polymerization and ionic and anionic addition polymerization. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट vinyl polymerization मध्ये एक्झाम्पल व्हिनिल क्लोराईडचे झाले होते. त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला व्हिनिल क्लोराईड चेन मिळाली होती. त्यासाठी 3 स्टेप होत्या: इनिगेशन, प्रोपोगेशन अँड टर्मिनेशन. तसंच ह्या ठिकाणी पण 3 स्टेप होणार आहेत. तेव्हा पॉलिव्हिनिल क्लोराईड काय मिळेल, चेन तयार होईल. ओके, सेम तसेच कंडिशननुसार इथं ही रिॲक्शन झालेली आहे. The PVC molecules are either linear or only slightly branched. It is in a insoluble alcohol, water, and hydrocarbons affected by acids. Alkalis up to 293 Kelvin, it dissolves in a ketone and chlorinated for PVC. PVC स्ट्रक्चर असे लिनियर किंवा स्लाइटली थोडंसं ब्रांचड दिसेल. ते डायग्राम दाखवले मध्ये लिनियर फॉर्ममध्ये काय आहे आणि थोडीशी स्लाइटली काय आहे ब्रांचड आहे. ओके. यूज ऑफ PVC. PVC is a wet polymer. So suitable is a plastic surgery. Example triacyl phosphate, phthalic acid, etc. is added to required in a soft nails. And PVC is the cheapest and most widely used plastic world over. It is easy to color, resistance to weathering, fire and chemicals, and is also good electrical insulator and hence used for cables. In a manufacture of artificial leathers, household goods such as curtains, tablecloths, floor covering, gramophone records, etc. And is a manufacturing of irrigation of drainage pipes. Okay, drainage pipes. Phenol and formaldehyde resin. Bakelite resin. Bakelite, the first of modern synthetic resin. It is formed by polycondensation of phenol and formaldehyde in presence of acid or alkali. Okay. This nature of this product form greatly depend on the type of catalyst and the molar ratio of the reactants. And this first step of methylation, that is addition of compound called a methyl derivative, are formed at ortho and para position. Okay. Phenol reacted with a methylation. First compound is formed ortho position attached to methyl alcohol CH2OH and added again methylation CH2O. Second product is formed. The ortho and para position of alcohol is present and then again added to CH2O, and third product is formed. Ortho, para and ortho position to attach methyl alcohol. Similarly, addition may occur at a para position to form another methyl derivatives. So in this reaction, phenol added to CH2 and fourth compound is often only para position attached to methyl alcohol. First upon addition to para position. वरती पाहिले होते त्या रिएक्शन फर्स्ट अपॉन मिथिल अल्कोहोल ॲडिशन होतं कोणत्या तर आर्थो पोझिशनला. या ठिकाणी मेटा पोझिशनला काय मिथिल अल्कोहोल ॲडिशन नाही आहे. देन फोर्थ पोझिशन नंतर काय मिथिल अल्कोहोल ॲडिशन केलं तर सेकंड कंपाऊंड अँड थर्ड नंबरचा प्रोडक्टमध्येही ॲडिशन केली सेकंडला. सेकंड पोझिशनच्या कंपाऊंडला ॲडिशन CH2Oची केली तर त्यावेळेस थर्ड नंबरचं कंपाऊंड मिळेल. म्हणजे आर्थो दोन्ही ठिकाणी आर्थो पोझिशनला बेन्झीन रिंगला काय असेल तर CH2OH अँड पॅरा पोझिशनला CH2OH असेल. This product first, second, third and fourth can be considered as a monomers for a subsequent polymerization. In next step, condensation of between methyl phenols and phenols take place to give the methylene compound. For example, monomethyl phenol reacted with a phenol to give the methylene compound. Phenol again reacted with the ortho and para position of methyl alcohol to gives to methylene compound. फर्स्टमध्ये काय होतं, ओनली आर्थो पोझिशनला मिथिल अल्कोहोल ग्रुप होता आणि रिॲक्ट फिनॉल बरोबर झालं, तेव्हाही मिथिलीन कंपाऊंड मिळालं. नेक्स्ट स्टेपला काय दाखवले, फिनॉल रिॲक्टेड विथ आर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला अल्कोहोल असेल अँड गिव्स काय मिळाले तर मिथिलीन कंपाऊंड. In presence of excess of formaldehyde, all available to ortho and para position of phenol molecules are cross-linked to form three-dimensional polymers. आर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला काय असेल, अल्कोहोल प्रेझेन्स असेल, त्या ठिकाणी एक्सेस ऑफ फॉर्मल्डेहाइड ॲडिशन केली असेल तेव्हा 3 डायमेन्शनलचे काय मिळेल, स्ट्रक्चर तयार होतात. इन दिस 3 डायमेन्शनल ऑफ पॉलिमर्स if insufficient quantity of formaldehyde is used, only linear molecules is called as a non-wholac are formed, and this resin thus formed can be stored for any length of time without hardening, and wherein the cross-linking is found necessary, it can be effected by heating with excess of formaldehyde. Only linear form. In formaldehyde added 3/4 number of formaldehyde added, and so linear structure form is known as Novolak. In this structure Novolak पॉलिमर चेन तयार झालेली आहे या ठिकाणी. हे स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे, क्रॉस लिंकिंग मध्ये तयार झालेलं आहे. So uses bakelite resins are usually compounded with fillers such as absorbs powder or used for molding electric items, telephone instruments, and so on. Bakelite is a hard surge and water resistant, so it is used for variety of laminating purpose and for preparing ion exchange resin. Okay. So today explain the methods of preparation and application of some organic polymers. Organic polymers have polyethylene, polystyrene, and polyvinyl chloride and phenol formaldehyde. Okay, next lecture discuss with the application of organic polymers. Okay, thank you.